Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did go back to Walmart today to complete my ride bonus. I actually did some rebates that I have not done before, so hopefully this will be helpful for you guys. All right, lovely people, let's jump into it. The first rebate I did was on the Rubbermaid take-alongs. These were priced $4.47 in my Walmart. It is a 2-pack. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $3.47. So I scanned quite a few in store. The square one that I showed you in the picture qualifies, and this one qualifies as well. This is a pretty good size container. I thought this would be great for the holidays. I'm planning on making some magic bars, and I could put them in here after I make them and cut them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. If you guys have never heard of magic bars and you like to see how to make them, let me know in the comments below of the video. They are delicious. It's like pecans, coconut, chocolate chips, and graham crackers. All right, so the next rebate I did was on my Renewses again, guys. It's a BOGO buy one get one rebate. You must buy the two at 97 cents each for a total of $1.94 paid in store. No coupons, but I got back the 97-cent rebate from Ibotta, making the final cost be 97 cents for the two. Next rebate I did, I've never done before, was on the Tazo. I think I'm saying that right. It is a tea. This one is the Passion, and it says that it is a vibrant herbal infusion of hibiscus, orange peel, and cinnamon, and it's caffeine free, guys. So it was priced $1.68 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon. It is a get one free basically rebate. So you're gonna pay the $1.68 in store. You get the $1.68 back from Ibotta, making the final cost free. And I think since we're doing it here on camera, I think it's only right. Good Lord, I can't even open it. I have no hand strength. I cannot open this thing. Dang, I did use my darn scarf to get it open. Let's see what it tastes like, guys. I think it tastes pretty good. It's actually a herbal, it's a herbal tea. Yeah, I think that tastes pretty good. Doesn't taste bad. That tastes bad. I think it would taste even better really cold. Yeah. So that was a good purchase. That was a good purchase. Really fresh. Really fresh. All right. So the next rebate, guys, was on the Simply Smoothie. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried this before. I have not. I need to start drinking smoothies in the morning again, so I thought this would be a great item to try. It's priced $3.58 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.58 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.58 after the Ibotta rebate for the Simply Smoothie. Now, we're not going to open this one up, but this is the Orchard Berry. Next rebate I did, guys, was the Oreo Kiss. You know I'm gonna keep on doing this until it stops resetting for me, because I like these. They were priced $2.56 in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.56 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.56 for the Oreo Thin Bites. That's a good deal, guys. This rebate I did, guys, was the Quaker Medleys. This is a oatmeal that you can put in the microwave. It's priced $1.46 in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $1.46 in the store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost be 96 cents for the oatmeal medley. Next rebate I did was the Quaker oatmeal. This is the instant. This is another version. Got this again for my husband. It's priced 98 cents in my Walmart. There is no coupon, so I paid 98 cents in the store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 73 cents after the rebate. This is the honey and almond this time. Tried to get him a different flavor. The next thing I did, guys, was my Trident gum. Y'all know I keep stacking my gum, okay? These are $1.12 each. You must buy two to do this rebate, okay? It is a BOGO, buy one, get one. So the two will be $2.24. You will get back $1.12 from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.12 for 2 packs of Trident. And yeah, I know I keep getting green because I like the green. And you know what was the funny thing, guys? The any item rebate reset and was on there again for me. And yes, I clipped it and used it again. You know, I just used it yesterday. I was really kind of surprised that they gave it to me again, but I was like, I'm not turning it down. That will be my 9th rebate. Yes, it was. Did that. Total of all my items was $19.70. Decided to get some different items this time, so I didn't have any coupons. So the total was $19.70 is what I paid in store. In rebates, I got back $7.62 from Ibotta. Plus, I got back the $2 for the ride bonus, making the total back $9.62 from Ibotta. Final cost $10.10. I actually had 10 items. I think that's not too bad at all. I was paying for it with Ibotta money anyway, guys. So this was a great deal for me. I hope you all will find the rebates helpful. I really do think I will do this rebate again because this was quite tasty. Hopefully this will be tasty, okay? And I want some more of the Rubbermaid. I want some more of these because I think this will be, this will be a good item. And you know what? I may do it again so I can give it to my girls, you know, try to do it some more so I can give them a set. And heck, you know, just can't have too much plastic, especially new plastic, you know, because you're not going to bring these in and not get rid of something. That's how I do. That's how I do. If I bring something in, something's got to go out. I can't keep, you know, stacking up stuff on top of stuff. So any discolored, funny looking, you know how plastic gets once you microwave it, it starts looking funky. It's got to go. I can't keep that type of stuff. All right, guys, that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if I do not see you guys again, I hope you have a wonderful, blessed, and safe holiday, okay? Now, I do have another video that I'm planning to upload to give you guys some ideas for some last-minute gifts. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to upload it after this one, okay? Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.